Hi, so welcome back. This is another video for me to explain to you how to use the tab settings. So we are just going to click on the tab settings, and you see that it comes preloaded with 8 different categories right here, all the affiliate tools that you can insert. And in fact, if you check the sample, there are 10 tabs in total. And where are those 2 remaining, the bookmark and the social media? There is no need for you to make changes inside because it is already activated within the main settings, which I showed you in the previous video, which is right here. Okay, social media tab, video tutorial, and all this stuff. Okay, so this is where you activate those 2 settings. But for the remaining one, since we have to add text and all this stuff, you just need to click on tab settings. Okay, and it's very important that you take note of it because we have already provided you the default settings. The reason is we don't want to get you confused and make it very easy for you. So we have already configured the settings, the fields inside, and let me show you what this stuff is all about. So just like the name suggests, tab settings, this refers to the tabs that you see right here. This is where you are going to create section for your affiliate tools. Okay, this is going to be very easy, and you can see all the preloaded fields right here. And one cool thing is that there are 2 places where you can make changes. Okay, so let's assume that you will start with this stuff first, and if ever you need more tabs, I'll just show you in a few minutes. So let's say if you want to add articles, okay, if you click on the edit part right here, which is completely different from this one. Okay, this is for the field manager. I'll get back to this in a moment. So let's click on this edit, right? And you see that this is where you edit the tab itself, the way that what you see right here. Okay, and you see the name of the tab, okay, which is articles, right? You can fix the name, but like I said, these are the default tabs. These are the most common affiliate tools. So whether if ever you have something a better name, you can just fix this, or you can just leave it as it is. So the tab type, okay, and let me explain to you what is the difference between the normal and the banner container. So if you have pictures, the banner container is only for pictures, which is this is what this stuff is all about. So the banner container is where you will include the picture and then it will provide a preview. But for the normal tab, you see that it will just provide okay, something like this, okay, where you can insert the text. Why? For the banner container, you can insert the text and there will be a preview above. These are really good for you to use when you have videos and images to display for your affiliates, and these are really cool stuff. Let me get back to where I was. Okay, this. And okay, so we already configured this, so no worries. Where the articles, every single thing that you see right here, emails, product reviews, press release, articles, e-zine, ads, forums, PPC ads, okay, all these require the normal tab. Okay, as for if ever you need videos and you need to display images like this one and other stuff like videos right here, everything which you want them to have a preview, you select the banner container. Alright, so just rewatch this video in case that sometimes it's quite confusing, but in fact this is very easy, don't worry. And tap active. So probably you do not need all this tab, so I'm just going to show you. If you would like this tab to appear, let's say you do not have a press release written, this one is for article, you do not have any article, you want to remove that, what you are going to do is you click no, and then click save. Let's see how it goes. And normally this will disappear. Let's refresh. Okay, and you will see there is no tab for the articles, which is quite normal. And then you see the status goes inactive. Let's go back to edit. Sorry, and let's activate again. And this is a really cool feature. So let's see how it works. Probably you have never seen this for many affiliate programs, but you know that there are spin content is really cool, especially if you want your affiliate to submit those content to many other websites, right? So there is no better way to get them do that by simply activating this feature, where they just need to copy and paste, and every time they will receive new content. So I'll explain that in a few minutes, probably in the next video. But just if ever you want to provide unique content every time to your affiliate, and if you want to do that, just activate this as yes. But if you are just going to provide some stuff like this one, pretty standard, deactivate it. Okay, so for the articles, I'm just going to activate it. And do I want to show the tutorials? Of course, I would like to show the tutorial. And the width, this is the same thing as the previous one. Okay, yeah, this one is appearing right here because of the size of my screen. Anyway, okay, let me resize that. Okay, so the header text, this is where, okay, let me save that, and then I'll refresh right here. You understand what is the header text? Oh, it's not yet. Okay, let me activate this, click save. Sorry, my internet connection is really bad. And I'm going to refresh that. You see the article section, and this is the header text. Okay, if you would like to provide some instruction, this is the exact same thing. Use this article to post on your website or distribute them. Copy and paste the title and body of each article, and this is exactly the same thing which is inserted. You can just edit those stuff if you want to add. And the footer is, let's try to add something right here, and then I click refresh, and you see the footer text will appear below, but normally in the middle there will be the tools. I'll just show you how to add those tools. Okay, so you see right here, I just showed you how to configure this. And let's move on to the next, the field manager. The field manager, for all those settings that you see right here, every single thing that you see right here, we already provided you with the default settings. There is nothing for you to make changes to the field manager. So let me go back and show you again. This is the field manager. Okay, the field manager is where you are going to determine the subject, how many boxes text area you are going to add in this part. The reason why we made this is for the advanced users, if ever you would like to create something new. Okay, more to this stuff. Okay, let's try to add something. Okay, let me add, I'll show you a live demonstration how to use this. You see here on the tab section, add tab. Okay, let's say I would like to add something like videos, would like to provide videos, and it's going to be sorry, a banner container. I want this to be active. There is no need for me to activate the spin. Okay, and the video link, of course, if you would like to create a video, because since it is a new tab, it's quite flexible, you can just do so. But we already preloaded this with 10 standard videos, and this is the video to use on your site. Okay, I save it. Let me refresh. You see a new tab which is called video right here. Okay, do you see that? How cool. So you search for it in the tab section, and since there is nothing inside, the software cannot know what you would like to include. So you have to tell the script what you want to include, because it's quite there are so many stuff that you can add. So let's say you would like to do something like this. Okay, you want to provide a YouTube video, and this is the code that you would like to insert. So what we are going to do, you see input control. So the input control is for a single line text, which is like this one. Why? For the text area control is for this huge box right here. So if I would like to insert a video, I would provide a code like this, alright, in a huge box. So what to do? I'm going to name that video code. I click save. Alright, remember this is the banner container. Is that correct? Okay, so I just created a new field for that, because every single stuff that you see in the video, every time there will be this kind of stuff, and you can add unlimited videos. Okay, so you just determine what kind of field this stuff need. Okay, so okay, so this is it. And let me show you something else. Let's say if I would like to add something else, which is let's say there is a tab which is called story. Okay, let's say I have so much stuff inside, and I would like to include only text, which is going to be only normal. Okay, I'm going to spin the content, activate the tab, I click the save. Okay, and you see that, oh sorry, it's there, and there will be a tab which is called story right here. So what am I going to do next? I need to add a field. Pretty easy, right? So just rewatch this video. This is something easy. And let's say I would like to do something like that: a title, any summary, any body. What I'm going to do is I insert an input control which is called the title. Input control is one line, title. I click add new field. Okay, I call this summary, but wait, the summary is a bigger box, so I'm going to add text area control. Save. Okay, I add another field which is called the body. Click text area control. Save. Okay, alright. Oh god, the connection is very bad. Okay, let me try to add again. Okay, it should be good. Yeah, so you can see all the fields right here. So basically this is it. So we have not yet created those stuff, but trust me, if ever you do not want to mess up with all this stuff, and if you would like to make things easy, there is no need for you to create more tabs, because we already provided you with all the stuff that you need. Okay, but just in case you would like to go more advanced, you can just create your new tabs. But if ever you just want to use the default settings, there is no need for you to make changes to those settings, and don't even need to consider those settings tabs. Okay, you just need to select if you want to activate this part or not, and that's it, and you make changes to this. There is no need for you to add the fields. Okay, so I'll try to explain this into more details in the coming videos so that you get a better idea how to use it.